Hello again. I found these two little toys. They are called Surprise Bobblies, and they are little Woodzeez characters. And each one has a surprise Bobblies, a mini acorn house surprise, because they're little acorn houses. So we're gonna open these up. If I can open it up. Ooh, top came right off. Was I supposed to take the top off? Okay, the top comes off. The door opens too though. Look at that. How cute. Now let's see. What is it? Oh. He's a frog. He's a frog. And this is harder to open than it was to hold in the packet. Here we go. Oh, and his head is a bobblehead. Oh my gosh. What is this? And with a little, oh, I guess it's, oh, he has ice cream and a drink. Actually, I'm a little hungry. I would like some ice cream and a drink. But I'm gonna put him on the side. I'm gonna see what the other one has. Now that had a blue door. I don't know if there's a difference with the yellow door, the blue doors. But we'll find out what we have in the yellow door. Okay, so I got the thing off. There, we open it, and I'm gonna take her out. Oh, it's a little, oh, it's a little mouse, I think. Oh, let's open this quickly. A little mousey. Oh, I love it. Bobblehead, bobblehead, bobblehead mouse, boop, boop. And she came with, ooh, she's got watermelon. That I like. And also a drink. I would have liked cheese. But either way. So these are, what comes in the little Woodzeez acorn houses. They're like fuzzy. They look like, when you touch them, they have like fuzziness. The bodies are hard. Oh, look, he moves his arms. He can move his arm a little bit. Let's see, how's it? Ta-da! All right, another quick video, I guess. Let's add something to it. Let's add something to it. Okay, so we got these guys, right? She came out of the yellow door. He came out of the green door. You know what? I have this. And it's called snack packs. And you squeeze your snacks. And I have no idea what it's about. But I saw it and I thought it was cute. So maybe I'll just add it into this video so the video isn't like 2 seconds long. So we're opening it up. Ooh, how cute. On the inside. I don't know what is in here. Oh, how cute. Oh, it's one of those, look, his body goes in. It's like a dumpling type of little thing. How do I get him out? Oop, you squeeze his head, comes out. That is cute. And then these are snack packs. They have a little avocado. We have some French fries. I like French fries. Avocado. French fry. Pop-Tart. Ooh. Tomato or tomato. And I think this is a crown. I think my head is a little bit too big. Oh, so that is cute. You're supposed to, oh, so okay, so what happens is that you squeeze them, like, okay, like this is, I don't know, it looks like a dumpling to me. So you squeeze them, and his body comes out. So I guess they have different ones where, like, you see this, they have like a watermelon, and the body comes out. All right, so that's cute. Snack packs. All right, so then I guess that's the video. I do hope you enjoyed it. Oh my gosh, I feel so silly. I forgot there was another one. Let's see this one. Oh, this one looks like, is he a potato? Let's see what happens when we squeeze him. Nothing. Oh, maybe you're supposed to put something in him? Yep. Okay, so he's a potato that seems like a toaster. So I guess you just put the stuff inside of him and push it down. And then we want it up. Oh, that is cute. I didn't realize it came with 2 of them. I should have, but I didn't. Sorry about that. Okay, so again, if you can, you want to subscribe. Most importantly, have an awesome day. Be good to yourself, be good to others, and please always be kind. And I hope to see you soon.